Today we will start from our pupils voice, and this is page number 96 or 96. Did you complete page 96 of pupils book voice?
बेटा अब्दुल हसीब आपकी बैकग्राउंड से वॉइस आ रही है, आपको म्यूट कर देना चाहिए। अब्दुल हसीब आपकी वॉइस नहीं आनी चाहिए। एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1 आप लोग यहां अकेले नहीं बैठे।
पी ले बेटा।
सबको जरा केयरफुल रहना है, माइक को लाइन में चाहिए।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम सलाम।
आज जो है वो
The page number
96 pupils book.
everyone has the right to definitely everyone has the right. It is true. Very good.
This is page number 96, boys. And this is our pupils book.
Everyone has the right to buy whatever they want. Good है ये, हाँ. Good का मतलब है. It is true or false?
Did you open page 96, boys?
Everyone, no one should be kept as a slave from their name. You cannot take anyone as a slave.
Yes sir.
ओके पेज नंबर 88, 89, 90 रेटिंग की थी, जिन्होंने रेटिंग नहीं की थी कौन है वो? रेटिंग किन्होंने नहीं की थी?
Only write your name in your participants option. Use any icon, any symbol. Okay, boys, this is not a difficult page. I am starting.
वहाँ से बुक के पास बैठे प्लीज।
For example, if it is false, so why is it?
Yes, okay now.
Sir, page number
Page 96 pupils book. Yes, Huzafa Khan.
रेटिंग सुने?
सर कौन सा नंबर है?
Page 96 pupils 96 4 less than 100.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर। अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
फायदा जाग गई। अपनी निगाहों को किताब की तरफ रखें और अपनी उंगलियां भी
Okay,
निगाहों के साथ साथ
the multiplication by 10. This is the topic, multiplication by 10 number.
क्या pupil page number?
Page 96 pupils book.
भी रखें और अपनी उंगलियां भी रखें ताकि
You can see it on the screen, I think.
जाग गई। खुद ही सुबह जाग जाया करती थी।
Yes, Abdul Mohit Asif. Unmute yourself and tell me the answer of these questions.
Yes sir.
Tell me the answer of part A.
Sir, 30 and 300.
30 and 300. Very good. Okay, Yahya for the second question.
वो जल्दी से आदमी करेंगे।
Yahya.
अम्मी भाई मेरा दान कहाँ गया? निशान भाई बल्कि जाने के लिए तैयार हो गए थे। भाई साहब को देख
Abdullah Tawseef.
बोले
Can you tell the answer of the next question part B?
निशान भाई की बात सुनकर फायदा हो गया कि बाहर की जगह होगी बेटा भाई
Yes.
बाहर क्या होगा?
सर मैं दूं भी का?
ये तो तुम मुझसे पूछो।
Okay, Musa, you can.
सर
Umar, you can unmute yourself.
पेज नंबर
निशान भाई की बात सुनकर फायदा
Page 96, People's Book.
सर मैं दूं?
जी बेटा.
सर 80 and 800
Okay, Musa, very good. Okay, now Abdullah Tawseef. 14 times 10. 14 times 10. Abdullah Tawseef.
सर मैं बता दूं
Okay, Furqan, you can.
140
मैं बता दूं?
140
140. Okay, Nola Zaman, second part.
सर 70
670. Very good. नहीं होते सर, करीब से करना पड़ता है. Yes, answer 450. These are all easy questions. Answer 91 25 10 क्या होगा आंसर?
सर 2 सेकंड
Everybody.
910
Okay, for
सर कौन सी बुक है?
Pupils book page 96 बेटा.
सर मैं अभी आया हूँ इसलिए बता दूं।
Okay, open the book. Okay, everybody mute.
पेज नंबर 90
Page 96 Pupils book. Rayyan Khan, unmute yourself and tell me the answer of part E, question number 2. Page 96 Pupils book. Muhammad Rayyan Khan.
28 times that 80
Very good. Okay, now Abdullah Munaffar, unmute yourself and tell me the answer of part F, question 2, page 96 Pupils book. Abdullah Munaffar.
कौन सा क्वेश्चन?
Question 2F.
सर कैन आई टेल?
No other students unmute. All students mute. जिससे पूछो पार्ट F बताएं अब्दुल्ला मुनव्वर. पार्ट F. 80 is
सर
wrong.
मैं बताऊं
59
सर मैं बताऊं
फुरकान आप खामोश रहें क्योंकि मैं सारे बच्चों से पूछना चाह रहा हूँ. ठीक है,
सर मैं
keep quiet, otherwise I will have to send you out of the room. If anybody is unmuted, so he will be sent outside. I know whom I have to ask. मुझे मालूम है कि किससे पूछना है. ठीक है, डोंट से मैं बताऊँ. ओके ओके अब्दुल्ला मुनव्वर, your answer is right. Now mute yourself. क्या I am asking this question from Muhammad. Yes, Muhammad will.
720
Yes, how many wheels do 10 trucks have? If one truck has 12 wheels, so 120 wheels. MashaAllah, Muhammad is very quick. Okay, Huzaifa Sadiq, can you solve the fourth question? Huzaifa Sadiq, A box contains
Sir, each number.
page 96 pupils book बेटा मारूफ page 96 pupils book page 96 pupils book Huzafa Sadiq unmute yourself
अहमद शाकिर without permission के नहीं बोलते।
okay Daulat Aman now your turn to tell the answer of
खूबसूरत का क्या होगा
question
बेटा?
4 page 96 pupils book
A box contains वाला
जी बेटा
सर
360 and second के बाद आता है 500.
मैंने पूछा है आपसे सेकंड वाला क्या
बताइए।
so its answer is 360 boxes 360
क्या होगी?
fruits 360 fruits
दाया हाथ होता है और दूसरा कौन सा होता है? बायां हाथ।
क्या कह रहे हैं
fruits in 10 boxes okay now I'm taking Maruf for question number 5
एक मिनट
nobody will unmute and nobody will say मैं बताऊँ
Sir,
I know I have to Daulat you want to go outside
अहमद शाकिर आप बताओ बेटा। अहमद शाकिर आप बताइए।
बेटा मैं अभी कंप्लीट कर लूँ आप फिर आप पूछ लीजिएगा
सवालात के जवाब
हाँ, दाएं के बाद कौन सा है? रोशन। रोशन की जिद क्या होगी?
follow the rules of online class boys
नहीं नहीं बेटा, अंधेरा भी होते
and
तारीख
don't disturb the class don't unmute without permission I am just asking one by one I have yes Umar bin Rehan can you answer question number 5 Mary uses 50 centimeter of ribbon to make a flower what is the total length of ribbon she needs to make 10 flowers
जी बेटा, अगला वाला कौन
Umar
बताएगा?
bin
500.
Rehan so she
500.
will need okay 500 what 500
बेटा एक मिनट।
ribbons or 500 centimeter
ribbons.
अगला वाला कौन सा है?
500 centimeter बेटा
रेडी हो गई बेटा
हाँ देखो रुके what is the total length of ribbon she needs to make 10 flowers
सर
she will need 500 centimeter ribbon good okay
चल इसके बाद वाला तूल। तूल किसको कहते हैं?
okay now I'm going to question number 6 this is question number 6
जी, तूल लंबाई को
make
कहते
up
हैं।
a multiplication story for the following multiplication
तो इसकी जिद क्या होगी?
I think you all know how we make the multiplication story. This is not a story for kahani. Okay, this is
तूल की जिद होगी
to story like building floors. So how we will make the multiplication story? We write 70 above and we make the branches of 70 and the two numbers
चलें उसके बाद
when they multiplied
जाहिर की जिद क्या
to
होगी?
make 70 we will write under 70 so 7 times 10 is equal to 70 7 multiplied 10 is equal to 70 again 10 is can also be broken in 2 into 5 or 5 into 2 okay so we will make branch of 10 and no further branches will be made 7 cannot be broken in two numbers which are other than 1 and 2 and 5 cannot be broken into two numbers which are other than 1
जिद क्या होगी?
so its multiplication story will be 70 and 7 10 and 10
क्या होगी?
and 2 and 5 I hope you all are cleared
जहालत इल्म की जहल भी होगी
now
और जहालत
now the second question the next question
जहालत
and I tell you this is the class for 3B okay if 3C students are there so their class
Sir?
is at 1 o'clock
हाकिम का महकूम
सर
G Furqan
महकूम
सर जरा समझा दीजिएगा दोबारा
कौन सा बेटा
हाकिम कहते हैं बादशाह को तो उसकी जो रियासत
मल्टीप्लिकेशन स्टोरी
स्टोरी वाला
उसके बाद
स्टोरी
Yes.
का हम किस तरह करते हैं देखिए हमें यहाँ पे 70 की मल्टीप्लिकेशन स्टोरी बनानी है 70 so we wrote 70 here then two numbers whose product is 70, दो नंबर जिसको मल्टीप्लाई करके 70 आते हैं उन नंबर्स को हमने नीचे लिख दिया 7 and 10, ये गिवन भी है यहाँ पर देखिए 7 and 10 गिवन भी है, तो इसी को हमने क्या कर दिया देख दिया। देन 7 को हम मज़ीद ब्रेक नहीं कर सकते किसी नंबर में अदर देन 1, 7 1 से 7 होता है उसके अलावा नहीं होगा, ठीक है। 10 को हम कर सकते हैं, तो 10 को हमने 2 और 5 में चेंज कर दिया, तो 2 5 टाइम्स 10, सो 7 का हमने 10 का हमने ब्रांच बना दिया और 10 की जो है ब्रांच बनाकर 10 की जो है 2 into 5 हो गई, ठीक है। और 2 और 5 को मज़ीद हम ब्रांच बना सकते हैं, तो हम यहाँ पे इसको ऐड कर देंगे। So this is the multiplication story. You can see the first step we write 7, in the second step we write 7 and 10, in the third step we write 2 and 5. This is like a building like floors. So that these are called, this is called story. Now the question is that, now the next question is that when multiplying a 2-digit number by 10, the 1st digit of the answer is 0. Do you agree? Yes. You can raise your hand, I can see. If you are agree, you can thumbs up. If you are not agree, you thumbs down. Yes. दोबारा पढ़ रहा हूँ मैं question. I am reading the question again. Try to understand the question. When multiplying a 2-digit number by 10, जब हम किसी 2-digit number को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, the 1st digit of the आंसर इज 0, जो 1st डिजिट होगा उसका जब मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद जो 1st डिजिट होगा वो 0 हो जाएगा। क्या आप इसको एग्री करते हैं? डू यू एग्री? एक्सप्लेन यूजिंग एन एग्जाम्पल। सो थम्स अप इफ यू आर एग्रीड और थम्स डाउन इफ यू आर नॉट एग्रीड। आई कैन सी योर फेसेस, योर वीडियोस, योर स्माइलिंग फेसेस। Mohit is agreeing. Who is agreed? Yes. Who is agreed? Who is not agreed? When we multiply, Umar bin Rehan is agreed. Mohammad Ahmed is not agreed. Okay, we will take some examples. Yes, Furqan, do you agree with this? When we multiply 2-digit number by 10, so in the answer the 1st digit is 0. Yes, Furqan, Rayyan,
Yes.
Abdullah Qasif.
Yes.
Okay, Umar bin Rehan, you
Yes.
can
Yes.
put your hands down. Most students are agreed.
Sir,
Now we
who
check
is
it.
it?
Now we check it. Umar Mahmoud is also agreed. Now we check the example. For example, I am taking a 2-digit number 23 and I am multiplying it by 10. So what will be the answer? 2 and 30. 230. So it's 1 digit now 0. Taking another example, 45 multiplied 10 is equal to 450. Okay, yes, I am agreed. ठीक है, all of you are now agreed. जी उमर महमूद।
Sir, 12 multiplied by 10.
12 multiplied 10 is equal to 120. Very good. ठीक है, इसका मतलब है कि जब भी हम 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, सो इन ईच आंसर वी हैव 1st digit 0. We have the digit in the 1st place. 0 is always 0. Okay. So we agree, all of us are agree. Now we are moving to the other pages, next pages. So there is no question on page 97. Come to page number 98.
सर मुझे वाला पेज दिखाइएगा, वो मैंने नहीं करा पूरा अभी।
तो ये आप जल्दी कर लेगा, फुरकान अभी इतना वापस टाइम नहीं है।
चॉकलेट ज़्यादा खा लेते आप।
Yes. Okay boys, moving to the next pages. Now come to page number 98, I think. 98. There are 2 questions of multiplication, 1 and 2. There is a multiplication story, so this you will do yourself. This you will do yourself in your homework. Okay. Now 17 times 3. We multiply 17 by 3. Yes, who will?
कौन सा पेज?
This is page 98. Page 98. Now I'm taking one of the person who did not participated till now. I'm taking Sai Vilahi for the multiplication. Sai Vilahi, unmute yourself and tell me how I will multiply it. Yes. Sai Vilahi. Yes. बताओ कैसे करेंगे इसको साई विलाही? बताओ बेटा. 17 multiplied by 3 साई. सबसे पहले किसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? बोले साई.
म्यूट करने के लिए बोला है।
साहिब बोले आपकी आवाज़ आ रही है मुझे. All other boys kindly mute yourself.
सर आपने मुझे म्यूट करने के लिए बोला था।
नहीं उमर आप म्यूट कर लें. वो जब आप बोल रहे थे तो फिर बोला था. Azik mute yourself and what symbols you have shown in your name icon. Don't draw or mark any symbol, type any symbol in the name. Okay, Saib is unable to tell the answer. Now I am taking
सर आपने मुझसे
Hazik. Yes, Hazik, unmute yourself and tell the answer how you write.
सर यहाँ पहले 1 आएगा
3 times 7
तो ऊपर जाएगा कैरी
3 times
सर 51
मारूफ म्यूट कर लिया अपने आप को.
सर कहना है 73
अब्दुल्ला तौसीफ
सर
भाई
नीचे करेगा नीचे आई कैन टेल
Abdullah Tausif, why you
सर नीचे
are
बाय पास
talking without permission? And Muhammad, mute yourself. Yes, Haziq.
सर नीचे 5 आ जाएगा
5 आ जाएगा. Very good.
नीचे 5 आ जाएगा
Maruf, can you tell the answer of second part? Hurry up. How we will solve it? 18 times 5. Yes, Maruf.
सर कैन आई टेल
Nobody will say can I tell. Mute yourself. मैं जिससे पूछ रहा हूँ सिर्फ वो बताएंगे. श्री मारूफ
सर
बताएंगे. 90 बता दिया. स्टेप बाय स्टेप बता देना. Okay, 8 5 times is 40. So 4 will carry and 0 will be under 5. So 5 under 5 plus 4 9. So his answer is 90. Okay, multiplication story for your homework. Nobody unmute yourself until I am allow him. Okay, now this is page number 100. Page number 100, and for this I will take Abdullah Tausif. Page 100 in people's book. Page 100. Yes, Rita uses 6 toothpicks to make a hexagon. How many toothpicks does she need to make 3 hexagons? Yes, Abdullah. Abdullah, why are you? There is a problem with Abdullah. His younger brother or sister is disturbing him. Okay, Abdullah, can you tell the answer? Abdullah Tausif.
जी सर
How we will solve it? Page 100, question number 1. 3 times There are 6 toothpicks in one hexagon. So she needs 18 toothpicks. Very good. This answer will be 18. Some other students are falling. Okay. Okay, come to page number. This is page number 101. Page number 101 now. And I am asking this question from Yahya Muhammad Yahya 101. Hurry up Yahya.
पापा प्लीज लेट चलो
Abdullah Dawsi, mute
सर जी
yourself.
बहुत खाने में इसके
भाई अब्दुल्ला मैदान कहाँ गया?
Yes, Yahya, unmute yourself. Yes, you have unmuted. Now tell the answer of this question 101. This is page number 101. Pupils book. Mrs. Lawson has 4 boxes of markers. There are 9 markers in each box. How many markers does she have altogether? Yes, there is nothing but multiplication.
सर 4 9 36
36, very good. Yeah. And she has 36 markers altogether. Very good. So, I was telling you, you must know the tables. You must memorize the table so that you can do the multiplication and also the division. The next chapter you can do by the multiplication. Mute yourself. Yeah. Okay, the length of a ribbon. For this question, I am taking Muhammad. Muhammad will answer. The length of a ribbon is 11 cm. What is the total length of 5 such ribbons? What we will do? Yes. What number will multiply by this number? Yes, Muhammad.
सर पहले 11 आएगा
11.
सर 55
Aru, go to outside.
5
Sorry. Maru, why are you talking without permission? You want to get out of the class?
ठीक है बच्चों, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।
Yes, Muhammad. Carry on. 11 times 5. And the answer is
55
55. Very good. So total length of 5 such ribbons 55 centimeter. 55 centimeters. Discuss with your classmates. Leave this question. Come to next stage. This is mind corner. Okay, this is optional. You can do it in your homework. Okay, there are 2 homeworks today and the time is almost over. This is page number 102. Now marking the attendance. Page 102. Mute yourself, boys.
सर और कौन सा होमवर्क है
The second homework is
सर
अभी नहीं जाए, मैं अटेंडेंस लूँगा. Nobody go outside. Stay silently, wait for me. This is the homework, boys. Yeah, mute yourself. Daulat Ahmad, mute yourself. Everybody mute. This is page 98, question number 2. Page 98, question number 2. This is your homework. Both are from pupils book. Now see whether okay. Now taking the attendance. Just wait for 1 minute. This is 3B. Furqan is present. Rayyan, Umar bin Mahmood, Ayan Salman. Ayan Salman was there, but everybody mute yourself. Ayan Salman is absent. Yaman is absent. Muhammad present. Ahmad is absent today. Musaf is present. Mute yourself. Mr. Waris present. Muhammad Ahmad. Ahmad is absent today. Maruf, Mohit, Asim and Yahya. Okay boys, you can leave the class. Inshallah we will meet in the next class. Assalamualaikum
सर अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम